This is a product demonstration of the Grace Industries SuperPass 2. The SuperPass 2 is a device that is worn by a user and senses when the user is motionless. The SuperPass 2 will automatically generate a very loud audio alarm after it is motionless for a preset period of time, and it is equipped with a panic button for the user to press when in distress. Now that you know a little bit about the SuperPass 2, let us tell you a little bit about the history of Grace Industries. Grace Industries is known as the world leader and developer of the Firefighter Personal Alert Safety System, better known as the Pass Alarm. The SuperPass 2 is found in all corners of the world, and not only worn by the firefighter, but also in the industrial world. Found in very diverse applications, the SuperPass 2 is found everywhere from a shipping dock to even nuclear plants. This product is popular wherever worker safety is a concern. The SuperPass 2 is UL 913 intrinsically safe approved and also globally ATEX certified for use in hazardous environments. We already mentioned that the SuperPass 2 is very loud. At 10 feet, the audio alarm output is 98 dBA. In addition to a loud audible alarm, bright LEDs will pulse and strobe, giving rescue personnel a visual beacon to track in low-light conditions. The case is rugged, high-temperature, impact-resistant, translucent, yellow polycarbonate. The battery life of the SuperPass 2 is up to 100 hours. The SuperPass 2 is UL and ATEX approved when powered by a standard 9-volt Duracell MN1604 or ProCell PC1604 battery. Let's take a look at the two types of operation of the SuperPass 2. The SuperPass 2 is available in manual on or auto on activation. The auto on activation model requires an accountability key to turn the unit on or to turn the unit off. Heat sensing is available in both the manual on or auto on activation models. As the table illustrates, when a user is exposed to temperatures of between 200 degrees Fahrenheit and 350 degrees Fahrenheit and time periods of 12 minutes to 6 minutes, the unit will go into alarm. We mentioned before that the SuperPass 2 is available in manual on or auto on activation. The manual on activated model of the SuperPass 2 is turned on or turned off and put into alarm reset by simultaneously pressing the buttons on each side of the device. Now let's look at the auto on activation model of the SuperPass 2. The auto on activated model of the SuperPass 2 requires an accountability key. It is turned on by removing the accountability key. The unit cannot be turned off without first affixing the accountability key back on the SuperPass 2 unit. Once replaced, the unit is turned off simply by pressing the buttons on the side of the SuperPass 2 unit. The accountability key is not required to reset the unit. The accountability key is used in operations where it is important to know that the SuperPass 2 cannot be intentionally or accidentally turned off. The accountability key is typically left at a point where the SuperPass 2 is issued. The accountability keys are typically displayed in such a way that supervisors and co-workers can be aware of which SuperPass 2s are in or out of service. The SuperPass 2 can be ordered in a variety of standard preset lack of motion timings, 30 seconds to 120 seconds, or custom requested timings. If you are unsure of what timing to choose, it is best to discuss your specific application with a Grace representative because timings cannot be changed in the field. Let's see what happens when two SuperPass 2 units are motionless. These particular SuperPass 2 units are set for 30 seconds and 45 seconds. The manual on activation model on the left is programmed to go into full alarm after 30 seconds of no motion, and the auto on model, which is set on the right, is set to go into full alarm after 45 seconds of no motion. When the user moves, the SuperPass 2 will reset and the pre-alert will stop. Notice how the model on the right, which was not moved, is now in pre-alert. And it is now in full alarm and requiring a reset by pressing the side buttons. Finally, the SuperPass 2 is designed with a front-mounted panic alarm button. By pressing the front button, the unit will go into full alarm. Thank you for viewing this presentation. We hope it has been informative. For more information on how to purchase the SuperPass 2, you can contact a Grace authorized distributor or call 1-800-969-6933. Thank you.